Hi guys, we're playing some Make It Rain. The lower money. I'm rich, I know that. We're gonna 25% it. Yes, please get something easy. Ooh, yay, difficulty 2. What the? What are these buildings? Whoa. That was epic. That's epic, dude. So epic. Epica. Oh my gosh, that was a big move. So, okay. Great. There we go. Let's see. Another move that I could really use. Like, super. I don't have a lot of moves left. There has to be a way to do that. One move left and I have to destroy 3 of those. Yes, that was epic. I'm just gonna take the money and run. Ooh, a new tournament. You know I love me tournaments. So let me enter it. I enter too many tournaments. Okay guys, so the next couple videos, I guess, or this one, is gonna be about this tournament. Yeah, just this one, because it's just like 5 more. Yeah. But Make It Rain credit cards. Too big to fail. National Bank. That sounds like a weird national bank. Pretty weird, don't you think? Sorry for the loud noise. I just gotta make it rain lots of money. Okay, so back to the turn. Yes. 99th place. And you're about to see the power of me in tournaments because I didn't get a tournament. And you're about to see how good. I usually get like, at least in top like 20th. 20. I usually get in the top 20s. So. We'll see how it goes this time. We'll see how it goes. Okay. Okay. Let's get better sliding gear. Yeah, that's right. Let's claim that. Yeah, let's keep on swiping. Uh-oh, I need some more credit limit. Uh-oh. That's going too fast. I need some auto debt. Wait, that's debt. Sorry, it's not debit. So yeah. Oh no. I have to increase my credit limit. Uh-oh. This is impossible to recover from. Oh no! I'm gonna watch a video. Yeah, I'll be back, guys. So you don't have to watch it. Sorry.
My dear father.
Sorry about that. Just randomly changed. We'll be back. So you don't have to watch this annoying ad. Okay guys, I'm back. Again. So yeah. Back again. Yeah, see, I'm already in 20th. Yeah, that's how epic I am at this game. See, I told you I'm at this game. Yeah, if you like this stuff, press a like down below or subscribe. And I mean, you'll see more of these videos. And I promise you that. Promised, guaranteed, if you subscribe and like. Subscribe, like, I will make more. So yeah, tell me enjoyed these videos. And in the comment section down below. Yeah. In the comment section down below. 21st place, people. I mean, ladies and gentlemen. 21st. And I started like 6 minutes ago. Yeah, that's right. Let's go check 20th place. 4.55. That's it. I can't wait. I will take 20th place. in 7 minutes. Was oh yeah, baby. 19th place in a matter of 7 minutes. That's right. So yeah, I told you I was a boss at these tournaments. Told you I was a boss at these games, and what do you know? 7 minutes later, I'm sorry guys, I went back to 21st, but that will all change. What are the scores anyway? .1. Oh, get barbecued! If we can just grasp 20th place. To get an instant spark and cash. Get an instant spark and cash. Woohoo, baby. Yeah, that's right. Money just went out of this roof. Yeah. And it kind of goes wild. Over how awesome I am at this game. What's happening? Okay. Just having some minor problems there. Not really serious. Get. More than America. China? I don't know. Oh wait, yeah. By the way, guys, whenever there's ad, expect it to be paused. Yeah. Sorry about this ad. Be back later. Bye.